Hello friends, how are you? I am fine, thank you very much. A lot of thanks, my audience, lot of thanks, my viewers, lot of thanks, my friends and families. I can present the today's videos and make money, how to very easy and simple I make money, gain the per hour 100 to 40 to 100 to $500 easily earn this marketplace. I am the make money in this presentation, and very simple work and powerful work. The Instagram is a present time is a very powerful social media. The presentation present a lot of celebrity, lot of businessman, lot of owner in this uses the mobile device. The whole world, the trillion thousand trillion people use the Instagram is a very simple oil, the lot of work, as a lot of work. I'm just showed my screen. This is the Instagram. Instagram is a two type of the sign up is the Gmail or Facebook, etc. etc. Is the Instagram. Instagram is a very simple oil, just sign up. The lot of celebrity you have this the your post in the posting the Instagram. You can the job the make money gain the Instagram, the sharing photos, sharing short videos, sharing etc etc. The Instagram the very important side, the lot of side the make money. uh two types of Instagram very important part. The one part of tag and hashtag. Hashtag is a very important part of hashtag, as like fashion, as like celebrity, as like etc etc. But tag is you are the chooses the big celebrities, the tagged your post is the tagged the your post on Instagram. A very simple work. You two type Instagram work. The lot of make money gain of the online Instagram work. Lot of people the whole world the Instagram work is a two type work. One type work in Instagram management, Instagram total account management, Instagram total system management, later of Instagram post template, net of Instagram post template users, later of Instagram maintain users, Instagram research users, Instagram influencer users, lot of work. And the Instagram present time very interesting in the nice and suitable platform. The lot of celebrity uses the Instagram, the whole world, United States of America, Canada, Australia, UK, whole Europe and Asians people, the users of Instagram. But a lot of buyer the marketplace, you know that my lot of videos, the my channel, the Insta in videos, a lot of videos, my channel, the Instagram, the whole world, the marketplace, the lot of marketplace in Instagram, what as like Upwork, as like Fiverr, as like Upwork. Upwork. The Upwork, the Instagram, the social marketing, as like is the social marketing, very important part of social marketing. Upwork, the top platform, the freelancing platform. You have the low, the valuable work in this the worker, the work now. This is the Upwork. The Upwork is the big gain of my money. The lots of agency you have this work, the Upwork Instagram agency, the one kind of one agency, the $1 billion market in Instagram and Upwork. Minimum the 10,000 to 30,000 per month income, the Upwork of Instagram posting work. I can search the find work. I can search the find work, but search work Instagram. There's the Upwork. I just in same things, your keyword, the Instagram search value of the Upwork, the Instagram marketing, Instagram marketing, influencer marketing, Instagram growth, lot of keyword. I saw this the Instagram marketing and promotion as like same word. This is the Instagram marketing. His sellers is the Instagram marketing to manage Instagram as you earn the $16, the $80. A lot of sellers in Instagram marketing. I am big this search in Instagram promotion, in Instagram. Instagram, this seller is searching the 100 Instagram real views, real followers. The I can suggest, I can promo my lecture. We have this Instagram work of more type work. There's the one of work, the follow gain. Second work is the common. Third work is the viewers. Third work is viewers. Fourth work is the Instagram post design. The fifth work is Instagram template design. The sixth work of Instagram page promotion, etc, etc. Lot of work, lot of, you have this Instagram the five type of work. One type work, the posting. Second type work, the post design. Third type work is the commenting. Fourth type of work is the sharing. Fifth type of work is the comments, etc, etc, etc. But present time, the lot of money gain the online of Instagram. I can choose and favorite the Instagram the trillion user the whole world. The maximum American people, American celebrity, American businessmen, a lot of the stylish fashionable people uses the mobile device on Instagram very easy, and scrolling this mobile very easy and friendly user. This is Instagram. You have this in Instagram make money gain. I see this make money speak, and the opening the my lecture, the Instagram four type of the Instagram make money. The first time Instagram template design. Second time Instagram post design. Fifth time Instagram management. Fifth Instagram post, Instagram like, Instagram followers. The Instagram followers is a very important, the real and organic follower. The lot of work is a marketplace. I see the marketplace, the Upwork is the big platform, big opportunity. The $1,000 earned is the Upwork market. You have this the one skill, the Instagram skill, gain your the lot of money. The lot of people, the Instagram work of this Upwork and Fiverr. There is a beginner seller very easily and smoothly income for this the Fiverr marketplace. The lot of work in Instagram. I can search, but the search is Instagram promotion. I can present the Instagram, the homepage. The homepage is in Instagram. The lot of people here the Instagram work. The lot of people the Instagram work. Instagram service sales in the marketplace, and the lot of service sales you have can these sellers, organic follower sellers, and like your comments influencer, and this the promotion marketing, etc, etc. But I can select this the one seller this, and the second same things is the lot of page the seller. You have this selling your gig, but I can sell is the one seller. One seller is the open this gig. I can the one this seller is a top seller. I will promote and manage it to grow your Instagram page. Is this seller is Instagram promote. I will promote to your Instagram account and grow followers. His seller is a top rated seller. The lot of people is top rated seller, very easy. I can see this the this is sale the two account this is the opening. One account is this seller is for 1,431. What is complete now? The second, in the present time, you have this the make money gain. This seller the lot of make money gain. The present time this this month of 21 days, the 72 water is queen. I can calculating the make money this seller 72 into $120 is $8,400. $8,400 very big. The selling this system the same. You have this. I see this the sellers and requirement is the present selling your marketplace. I will promote Instagram to grow followers and engagement. This seller is this work the increases the followers, they increases this followers, the Instagram account them. This year the same I click this the click this seller. This click seller is a if 281 million follower is a very important and the big big account. The Instagram, if this Instagram is a very and the city this lot of Instagram posts is the celebrity king Kim Candice West is the celebrity that these followers 281 million is the big account the Instagram. Same things here as the one work is the one celebrity work is just change your life, change your business, lot of money, make money game. The big the lot of people, lot of fashionable people, lot of ladies, lot of fashion boy, the celebrity you have this the users in Instagram. Same is the big account in Instagram, the lot of post your post is the 5,423 post. The you are the gain of the 281 millions follower. Is a big important and a big account. Big account, this the account and the lot of same things you this work your post design, your post template, etc. But your I can see this the Canva is a very easy and simple system. Your any design, fashionable design, the design it Canva. Fashionable design is a template, etc. Just writing. Hmm. Just example your Canva design. uh, just a lot of people here this Canva is, and it is you have this the paid Canva, more free template, free nice template uses is the same things here. Any picture gain there's the same things your searches more. And the pick jb us fashion, search. Hmm. This year's fashion is celebrity. Wow. As same things as celebrity. A lot of celebrity this work as like ladies fashion. You have this the client, you the send the all details your same things here celebrity. Wow. Same Canva post design, very easy and simple. Canva post design. Okay. Okay. A lot of picture. I am the free set of picture. There's the making or the creative of design. Same things is Canva, very easy simple. The design is Canva, but present time the Instagram is a very beautiful and smoothly and easily uses this the platform. Just time one account says this this account holder, you have just needed the lot of worker the marketplace in working, but you are the 5,430 post minimum the 100 worker this work yours account, but 281 millions followers. 281 millions followers is a very important account, is the US account. Same thing, there are a lot of people that can work is the marketplace. Very nice picture you had this Instagram. So wow, a lot of picture, you are the celebrity. your post design is a fashion designer. I see there's the marketplace. Same things is the one account. The second account, this person, wow, I will promote manage to grow your Instagram page organically. You have this, the organically support the Instagram. Here the 30 days service, increase followers as engagement. Present time the Instagram valuable and lot of work than client they here the buying the increase their followers and engagement. This Instagram accounts lot of follower, the demandable account, the highly profile, the same things, the buying of the Instagram followers. You have this, wow, the 237 what a queen the present time, this month 21 days of month, but this account 237 water queens. And they calculating this, oh, $140 is into 237 water is queen is equal to $33,180 is the big revenues. I am just my keyword, my first time the my lecture, this the my videos, is the opening lecture, the 100 to $500 is the easily work of in Instagram is a day. Same things you are the how to go get make money, this the Instagram, this account. You have the charges, lot of buyers, lot of people, lot of worker, then work in the Instagram marketplace. You are very easily and smoothly start now in Instagram. Instagram present time is a very demandable work marketplace, and then Upwork, and then in Fiverr, and then a lot of marketplace out of marketplace, then Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. But your trust and easily marketplace in Fiverr, you have just the one work, one skill gain, the more make money gain. This the social media platform. The social media platform is the best platform, the Instagram, the whole world, lot of celebrity this worker needed the Instagram gain followers and unfollowers. In Instagram, a lot of type of work. One type of work is a gain followers, the engagement, the first design, the first template, and unfollow following, and Instagram management, etc. So thank you very much, my friend. Thank you very much, my families. Thank you very much, my all audience. Uh, you have this the like it those videos, those commented videos, any question in the comments and videos, and share your friends sharing the make money. A lot of people need is the make money, the very easy and simple or gain of the make money of Instagram. We have this the Instagram one work, the lot of work. I can see the two Instagram seller account, this seller account $33,180 this time is earning make money. This present is a 8,000 make money. The lot of sources of the marketplace, Fiverr marketplace and Upwork marketplace. Instagram is a very easy and smoothly the mobile device. A lot of people uses the whole world, the fashionable and model, etc. Uses the you are targeted the you are targeted the same things in Instagram. Very easy and important work is the tag and hashtag. I am opening the my videos first time the lecture. Tag and hashtag, tag is a very important. Then since this seller this person has to tag it my any post, you're the following etc. Thank you very much, my friends and family. You have to make money gain the Instagram in a very easy and smoothly, and a lot of videos the online they used to be available the Instagram. Thank you very much.